People ask me what I do in winter when there is no baseball, and I tell them I look out the window and I wait for spring. Rogers Hornsby. The first day of spring is one thing, and the first spring day another. Henry Van Dyke. Spring is God's way of saying, one more time. Robert Orbit. I've been told that Boston in the spring is pretty special. Natalie Dormer, as amended by yours truly. True harbinger of spring is not crocuses or the swallows returning to Capistrano. It's a bat on a ball. Bill Veeck. Every spring is the only spring, a perpetual astonishment. Alice Peters.